In nearly every industry, less than optimal solutions for detecting objects which vary in shape and size are mindlessly repeated. These solutions increase the overall costs due to their complicated and expensive installation. Two photoelectric sensors are stacked on top of one another in order to reliably detect the leading edge of objects of varying heights. When attempting to detect flat or irregular objects on a conveyor, the situation looks even worse. Additionally, each sensor has to be wired to a PLC individually, and a programmer must combine the signals using a logic block. Finally, any objects with holes in them cause the outputs to false trip unless extra steps are taken. The 2D light band of the new Reflex Array is the answer. Regardless of the position of the object, the Reflex Array detects everything inside of its light band. Only one single sensor is needed for reliable leading-edge detection. Only a single cable must be connected, and no false trips on perforated objects. The Reflex Array reduces overall costs and increases productivity. The big Reflex Array Ray 26, with a detection height of 55 millimeters, detects objects bigger than 3 millimeters. Two other variants can be used for detecting of 5 millimeter or 10 millimeter objects. The Ray 10 has a detection height of 25 millimeters. Objects bigger than 5 millimeters are detected within the light band. The small housing of the Ray 10 can easily be integrated into the side channel. Both sensors are equipped with a bar graph. In case of increasing contamination, the user will be informed at the sensor or via I/O link that cleaning is needed to avoid downtime. Reflex Array, the photoelectric sensor with the 2D light band.